Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Glad you're able to join us. We're blessed to have you here. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take a look at this 62 Chevy Impala SS convertible. It's not really a true unboxing because I've already looked at it. It's been sold to me from a model show and swap meet. So it has been opened, but I liked the car and I talked with the guy for quite a while before I bought it, and the price was decent for it. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at it today and see what we have here. So we've got the body. What I'm going to do with the paint scheme of it is I'm going to go ahead and I've got a paint color. It's almost the exact same color as what you see in the box there. This model will be made mostly box stock, except for I'm going to add in engine detail and I'm probably going to flock the floor for like a carpeted look. But the body's in pretty good shape all the way around. Doesn't really seem to be much warping. This brace here did come loose, and the only real damage I see on the body is these wing supports right here for the winged windows. Kind of got a little bent. I don't know if you can see it or not, but what I'll either do is I'll end up gluing in the window and then figuring out if I need to replace those after gluing the window in, or we'll try to just straighten it when we glue the window in. Window glass and headlights are right there. I'm not going to take them out for now because they're in the plastic and protected. There's your interior tub. That's where I'm going to try to make it look like carpet. So it's been about 25-ish or so year break for me. I used to build models when I was a kid, and I stopped for a while, and now I'm getting back at it. You got the undercarriage, which is quite nicely detailed out. Very happy with it. The one thing that I do have is right here where this side mounts up the radiator. It's supposed to mount up on this side too. It's just missing that little front piece. So what I'm going to have to do is just make a little piece for it, and we'll get that put on there. Not a huge deal. Got the instruction manual, obviously. And the interior of this is going to be just like what we've got on the box here. It's going to just be a dark blue. And I'm pretty excited about building that engine. It's got a 427. So we're going to build it just how it would have been out of the factory. All the suspension parts seem to be there. I've checked the parts trees over pretty good. You got the seat backs here and the part that goes over the convertible. It comes with steel wheels as well as the chrome wheels. I don't think I'm going to use the steels. It's got a decent engine. One of the things that I think might show through, and I don't know if you can see it or not, is where the hood was molded. Underneath here, it's got all this detail, but it kind of carries through. You can't really feel it. Kind of carries through to the top of the hood, so I don't know if that's going to show through or not. But there's no real issues like that in the other parts of the car that I can see. A little bit of something there, but we can sand that down, I think. And there's no real flash. I don't know if the person that sold it to me took it off or not. I mean, that's a pretty hard line right there. We'll soften that up a little bit and get that fender rounded down over. But no real flash. So we got all of the interior parts here. This is the steering shaft. But it's pretty decent detail on the interior. Going to be able to paint the window cranks and the armrest. This is a kind of a light that goes, I guess it's supposed to light the place where you step down out of the car when you're getting out. The dash has great detail. I'll get that all done up. And then you got the rear suspension parts, your firewall, your radiator, and your exhaust. The chrome, because this is an older kit, let's see, where is this kit from actually? Well, it's back there a little bit. It's a 97 kit, so that makes it, well, pushing 30 years old. But the chrome seems to have, I don't know if it dulled down or if it came from the factory that way, but a lot of people strip off their chrome, and I don't think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to use the black panel line stuff, get the grill slots kind of blacked out, do the same thing in the rims here, and call that good. It did break off. I do have all the rims. I just took one off to look at it. This car came with no carburetors, so I'm going to have to buy those aftermarket or rob them from another kit. It also came with only two tires. So I went ahead and bought a set of tires, but I don't really think they're going to go on it because they're a little bit wider. Like half of that tire is the width of, they got to be put together, of the entire tire here. So I may try to find another set of tires out there. And we also got, I went and bought some rims for it, but they don't really fit inside this tire. And I'm not sure if I really want them on the car or not. I just don't know how they look. I don't think it's the look I'm going for with the box stock build. So that's the Impala. We're going to go ahead and get working on it. We do have, it has been around 0 or 7 degrees. It was 7 degrees last night. It's in the 30s tonight. But it's going to be tough to paint this thing. So I may put this project aside. I just ordered a Dodge Charger, a 69 Dodge Charger 500. And it's all painted. The body's kind of a green color, and the undercarriage is painted, and the engine. All of the interior's done, and it just needs to be put together, detailed out. So I'm thinking that should arrive sometime this weekend, and that may be the project that we jump to. I'll do a video on that as soon as it comes in, and we'll try to figure out what we've got going on with this car. If it warms up a little bit, we can probably pull off painting it. I'm just going to use Rust-Oleum. But if it doesn't warm up, we're going to put this car in hold until springtime. That's the unboxing, so to speak. Glad you're able to join us, and appreciate it if you give the video a like, give the channel a subscribe, and until we see each other again, everybody out there, be blessed.